Hello kids, it's Gagan. Welcome to Fun with Nawab. Let's draw some shapes with me. First of all, I'm going to draw a circle. Let's draw a circle with me. Then, I'm going to draw a triangle. It's a triangle. Now we will draw a heart. This is a heart. This is a square. Let's draw a square with me. Now this is a star. This is a star shape. Next is rectangle. This is a rectangle. Let's draw these shapes with me. Rectangle. Let's draw these shapes again with me. Circle, circle, triangle. This is a triangle, triangle, square. This is a square, square. Star, star. This is a star, star. Rectangle, rectangle. This is a rectangle. Let's draw these with me. Rectangle. Heart, heart. This is a heart. Now we will fill colors in these shapes. We fill red color in the circle, red in the circle. We will also learn about colors in this video. So this is color red, red, and we will fill blue color in the square. This is blue, blue in square. Now we will fill purple color in triangle, purple in triangle. This is purple color. This is yellow color. We will fill yellow color in star, yellow in star. Let's fill the colors with me. Yellow in star, this is orange color. We fill orange color in heart, orange in heart. Now we will fill green color in rectangle. This is a rectangle and we fill green color in it. This is the color green. It has so much fun to draw and color these shapes. Let's draw and color with me.